Hi friends and welcome to my channel. I'm Kanika and today we are going to make 3 DIY crafts out of some materials which are lying at our homes. So let's start. Craft number 1 is with this thing which is in my hand. You can see it? 2 minutes. Abracadabra. Gilly gilly choo. Yes, it's with a pencil. Now let's start making it. So let's start. So with this, it's simple pencil only, but you can write your name on the pencil. But see, on this pencil you can't write your name with any pen or anything. But I'm telling you one trick to write your name or something which you like on the pencil, and when you're using it, you'll feel very good. So let's start now. So you have to use a light color so that the name or something you write on this is visible. So let's take the red color. You can take any color, light blue, light green, pink, anything. So we are mixing white and red color together. We are mixing the colors together. In a palette, I'm using this palette. So our pink color is ready now. See, it's ready. So now we should paint the pencil. Let's start painting. You can use any color, either it's watercolor or acrylic color. You can use any. And you can use any pencil brand because the paint is easily applied on the pencil. It's any, yeah, you can use any. It's very easily applied. Don't mix so much water, then it will not mix. So you're painting the pencil very neatly. So our pencil has dried up now. Now we can take any simple gel pen, ball pen or anything, and we can write anything here. Anything. We can write our name also. See, I have written my name on it. Write your name here, and this is your pencil now. Craft number 2 is rubber band bracelet. So how to make it? It's very simple. Take a black rubber band, put it in one finger, stretch, turn, put it into the another finger. It should be an infinity sign. It should be like this. Take another one, stretch, put it on this. Then take this black one, like this. Yeah. Then take another black one. This time you don't have to make any infinity sign. Now it would be simply going like this. Then this yellow one. Only the infinity would be at the starting. Then another yellow one. This, this, this. And like this, your bracelet would be made. So bracelet has been stretched and it has been made. But now how to close it? It's opened. So just keep it slightly here. Take a paper clip. I have a matching one, yellow, or you can take a silver one also. I'm taking a yellow one. Take the paper clip, push this outside like this, okay? Push this thing outside, make an S pattern like this. Make an S pattern with a paper clip. Just, yes, like this. Make an S type thing. Now take your bracelet. It would be open from both sides. See, this is a hook type thing made now. Now just hook up like this, and the second also hook it up. This. It has been hooked, it has been closed now, and please press it properly so that the bands do not come out. Press them properly. Press the pin properly. And now see, your bracelet has been totally ready now. It's looking very good now. So these are some simple methods of making a bracelet. So it looks very graceful. You can make and wear. See, it's looking very good. So craft number 3 and the last one. Sorry, I didn't tell you. The craft number 3 and the last craft is a bookmark. Now you would be thinking that it's a simple bookmark with paper and the thread would be attached to it. No, it's a different one. So for this we have to take a square paper. You have to take a square paper. It should be square. Fold it into a sandwich shape, a triangle shape. Okay. Fold it into a triangular shape like so. Okay. And now fold it in this pattern, as this pattern. This. It was like this. Now it has been folded like this. Okay, now these two ear-like structures would be present. You have to fold according to this crease, no? These two creases, you have to fold it like this. Totally on the crease. Totally on the crease. Okay. Is it fine for you? It's totally okay. Like this, you have to fold it. And now this is a loop. This is a bag-like structure made now. Now take this ear, put it inside this. To put it inside. Yeah. To put it like this. We have put it inside. You can use glue also, but it would be totally intact. It would be totally locked. Put them inside, both the things inside. Both the ear-like structures inside. Okay. Now it has been made. This has been made now. And for accessory, it is like this. And for any accessory, we have to just make it very graceful. We can take a paper, we can take a card-like thing. Take the scissors. This. Take the glue. Give it time to dry up. So it would be something like a monster. Now how to use it, I'm telling you. You can take a book or copy. On a page, we can put it like this. So it's a bookmark like thing made. And when the copy is closed, at that time also, it would be saying that this is the page that we have to open. So this is the bookmark. It's very easy to make and it's very useful. Okay. And I have made many others also. I don't know where are they lying. Oh, I'm bored now. Okay, let me put my bookmark on this page so that I can read it later. so I can read it tomorrow. Yes, I'm really enjoying writing with my new renovated pencil. Really enjoying it. Now I'll not stop writing the whole day. I'll keep writing and writing only. Yes, I'm ready for the party. Okay. But something is missing. Earrings are there. Hair are properly made. I'm totally ready, right? I'm totally ready. Oh, something is missing in the hand. Now, yay! Let me wear my bracelet. Now I think I'm totally ready. So, friends, now it's the time to go. So, before going, I'm gonna tell you something. The thing is that these are very easy DIY crafts that are being used in our day to day lives. So, you should make it. And please subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay? Please, as I'm a new YouTuber, I told you in my previous video, I'm a new one. Please support me so that my video hits almost 50 likes, please, and I should have almost 100 subscribers till the end of this year. Please support me, please. Okay, so it's a time to go. Stay imaginative, stay creative, and stay tuned to my channel. Okay, bye. Meet you next time. Bye.